Welcome everyone to this week's episode of Cooking with Sil. This week we're going to fry up some sweet delicious plantain. Depending on where you're from, some would say plantain. These are typically located near your bananas at your local grocery store. Everyone knows bananas, but as you can see, the plantain is much bigger than your average banana. Usually you buy the plantain green, bring it home and let it sit for a couple of days, and then it will ripe just like a banana would. From a consumption standpoint, bananas are typically eaten when they're ripened, whereas plantain, when they're ripened, is much more enjoyable when they're fried. Depending on how ripened plantains are, they can give you a variety of different sweetness to taste once you fry them up. Now let's give you some tips to help you determine when your plantain is ready for frying. If you take a look at one end and it's still green, and there's still streaks of green from one end to the other, your plantain is not ready for frying yet. Now these are potential frying candidates as the green on the ends are gone and there's only green on one end, so potentially these ones are just about right for frying. Next thing you can do is press down on the hard skin of the plantain and feel how soft it is. If it's really soft to the touch, it's good to go. Use a cooking oil with a high burn level, but still healthy. Add your oil to the frying pan enough to cover the surface. Get your pan going to heat up before you start cutting up your plantain. Adjust your cooking temperature to somewhere between medium-high and medium. Start by cutting off the ends of your plantain, but not too much. Take your knife and gently pierce the skin of the plantain and run it from one end to the other. Now gently peel the skin of the plantain back and reveal that delicious looking plantain. Now size up your plantain and cut it into even pieces. I like to further cut these pieces into smaller strips. I'm going to call this way of cutting up the plantain takeout style, paying homage to my local small businesses. Ensure your oil is hot enough before you place in your first piece. Listen for that golden sizzle as you place your first piece in. Continue to add your strips to the oil until you cover the surface area of the pan. Get yourself a plate to add the strips to once they are fried. Continue to monitor your frying and then turn over your pieces as they become caramelized brown. Delicious. This one looks like it's ready to go. Continue to turn them over until you're satisfied with the brownness. Remove the pieces that are fried to a golden brown color on both sides. Add fresh pieces to your pan while continuing to monitor and remove pieces that are fried. Delicious and golden brown fried plantain. Well, now that you've seen the process, don't be afraid to pick up some plantain next time you visit your local grocery store. Let them ripe and fry them up at home. Yes! And there you have it, this delicious golden brown fried plantain, which can be enjoyed at breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You've been cooking with Sil. Thanks for watching. And as usual, if you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, hit notification, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next project.